Hi everyone, my name is Nicole and today I would like to show you how to make a paper heart. To make a paper heart, you will only need a piece of A4 paper. Firstly, you need to fold the paper lengthwise in half. Secondly, you will fold it in half again to see the middle. Next, you will have to fold both sides. It should be like this when you are done.
Okay.
Next, if you can see this part, you should fold it so that it is a triangle like this. After that, repeat it for the other side. And then, ta-da! Your paper heart is finished. So everyone, I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe and like it in the comments below. See you next time. Bye!